Hi, teacher. I am Ingrid Suarez. What's I learned final assignment? Let's go. Heather goes to the movies. Today was the best day of Peter's life, according to him. She went to the movies with Shenas. So you already know. Shenas moved to San Francisco from Lebanon and sing. She didn't have her own books. The exact teacher in class so that Peter could have his books with her. They spent weekends together watching TV, doing homework, and taking pictures. Peter dog to the park. They have a great time. The girl taking about school TV programs and what they would like to do when they grew up. Peter Peter is now 11 years old. One day he had an idea. Why don't we go to a movie car? Why don't we go to the movie car? He asked Shanna. I'm not sure, she replied. Shanna had never been to a movie theater in the United States. United States. How is it different from renting a DVD and watching it at home? Peter was very praising by her kitchen. It's very different. It's very different. The feature on is at the screen. It you it use. The waiter is there so you can really focus on the movie. You're also with other people who are indexing the movie along with you. Jenna wasn't sure but she agreed to try it. Jenna wasn't sure wasn't sure about which movie she wanted to see Peter, so she let Peter decide. Peter loves Becky takes some time, so he picked the movie Spain next door, which which is a comedy for kids. Jenna had never seen a movie with Becky time, so she agreed. Peter mother drawn them to the weather the afternoon. The following afternoon, she hated Peter money for the tickets and I waited for them outside the theater. Once the once the movie started, it was fun. All the other kids in the theater were laughing when Shenas didn't. Shenas didn't understand some. Peter explained it to her. They held hands during most of the movie. During most of the movie, Peter was sure he was in love. He, won, he wondered if Shenas felt the same way, but he was too afraid to ask. When the movie's over, they watched out the car, car and the way out, Shena gave Peter a kiss and the thick seemed to hold him how much she had indeed said the movie. She hands and said the movie. She ate some part of the movie were bit sleep but didn't want to hurt Peter's feelings. On the way home, they stopped for pizza and ice cream. They told Peter mother, the Peter mother, about the movie and decided they must go to another one higher the next Tanchenas would pick the film. The film. The film. Peter the man he had next had the best day of his life. Thank you.